Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I post on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday. And maybe every once in a while I'll throw in another one. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook if you want to follow me there. Alright, so enough of that. Today we have quick and easy, so we're doing this strawberry box. I actually did buy some Hershey's Kisses that were strawberry, but I forgot to bring them in here when I started filming. So the box is empty, but it unties like this, and it's kind of like a flap box. So when you open it, it has these little flaps on it, and then you just put your candies in there, and then you can just wrap your ribbon back around and you can tie another bow. And of course, I probably, you know how I am on camera, I could probably never tie this bow the way I had it before, but we are going to give it a try here. And I love this ribbon. It's really, really a nice ribbon, and it ties really nice. And look at that, I did a good bow. All right, so this is what I'm sharing. This is Poppy Parade, and I did do the Strawberry Poppy Parade. But to me, it didn't come out bright enough, so I am going to change the colors to Real Red. I'm using the same designer series paper, but I am going to use a different pattern for the next one, just so you can see options that you have. So let me tell you what you need for this. You need a piece of Real Red that is 9 by 5. And to mat it, this is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. So I'm using this pattern. The designer series paper I'm using is the True Love designer series paper. If you like this paper, you need to grab it because it ends June 31st is the end of our catalog, our mini spring catalog, and this is so pretty. You can color these. The opposite side has some really pretty patterns. I've actually hoarded this, and this is the other pattern I used. So I have some left of this. If you don't have that designer series paper, you can use the Pattern Party if you have this one, because this is this gorgeous. You have this, to earn this, you have to earn it with rewards, which is if you have a $150 order, you can order this. It is a reward, Stampin' Up! Reward, so you can put it on your rewards. But look at the back side, they're all prints and they're all black and white as well. I love this paper. I can use it just about every day. There's something in there, and it's such a great designer series paper to have on hand. So this is the Sweet Strawberry. We're using this. I am using the hello there, but you can use the just for you. You can use, you know, the thank you. Happy birthday would probably be a little bit too big, but that was so sweet of you. Thank you might be a little bit too long for this, but you can use it in a different way. So if you want to do it as a thank you, you don't have to do it the way I showed you. You can add it to the bottom. It's just all up to you. The ribbon that I'm using is the Flowers for Every Season, and that is the white one that comes in this. So it has the blue, and I think this is Mommy Blue and white baker's twine with the gingham ribbon and the basic white ribbon here. Actually, this is probably called Whisper White because it's the older. It was in the, I believe this was in the spring catalog. I'm not sure, but it's still in our annual catalog because you still can get it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and stamp everything because there is a lot of stamping on this. So we are going to go ahead and stamp. I'm going to use Real Red, and I'm using Garden Green. The other one I used Poppy Parade, and I used Granny Apple Green. So we're just changing it up a bit, and we'll see what this one looks like. So we are going to first stamp the strawberry. I need to grab my punch here because this is a bundle with the strawberry punch, strawberry builder punch. I like to see how my images are positioned, and then I will just line this up. It makes it easier because I do stamp these individually. I don't stamp them all together. I have a hard time lining everything up, but it is a little easier if you can do that. Make a matrix, and then you can stamp or punch it all out at one time. I'm just not that good at that. So you're going to see here that I am going to punch out these individually. But I can use these other pieces that I have here, and I'll see if I'm good enough to line these up. Sometimes I can do it really well, and sometimes I mess up. So let's see what I can do here. See if I can line this up. Sorry if I get my head in the way. I don't think I did a good job of that. Nope. Let's try the larger one here. I think I'm going to stamp off on that to make it a little bit lighter. This one's a lot easier. Yep, got that one right on. And then we're going to do this. That part I got off. But we're going to use that one because we need to do 3 of them. And one of them is going to be hiding kind of behind the strawberry. A couple of them will. So we're going to go ahead and use that. And I already like that this is a lot brighter. So let's go ahead and let's stamp some more of the leaves. And I'm going to probably just stamp off first. So we'll do that one, and we need 3, so we'll do one more. And I am going to just cut down along here. This way, I'm not wasting a bunch of paper. So we're going to punch this one out. If you feel like you can punch and stamp in the matrix, go for it. I've tried it so many times, and I'm not good at it. I don't know. So if there's a secret anybody has to doing that, let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and stamp the flowers. We need 3 of the flowers. All right, so we got all our leaves, and we just need the little top for our strawberry, so we're going to go ahead and do that again. And let's see, that one's going this way, so I'm going to do that. And I think I'm going to stamp off on this. And I really find that stamping the outline for me works better than stamping the inside first. I can see it, it seems like better. I don't know, maybe it's just my old eyes. All right. I think we have everything stamped and ready to go now. Let's put these away, except for our sentiment. We need to do that. And what we're going to use for the sentiment is we're using this rectangle postage stamp. So we're using that, and then we're going to stamp the sentiment on that with Memento Black. And then we're going to do the hello there because I can use these for my friends, my coworkers. So we're going to stamp that to the left. Whenever I say that, I always think of that, to the left, to the left. I don't know, that song. All right, let's go. Let's get the strawberry ready. So we're going to put this, I'm using just the wet glue for this, to attach that to the strawberry. I think I'm really going to like these colors better to stand out, but if you like that softer look, you can go for that. And then we are going to set these all aside because everything's ready to go. And we're going to do our box. So again, this is 9 by 5. This is very easy scoring. On the 9-inch side, you're going to score it at 1, 4, 5, and 8. And then on the 5-inch side, you're going to score it at 1 and 4. Whoa, got off there. I'm going to have to use that as my front so I can hide it. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut off these corners. Here's another thing you can do. If you mess up like that, just grab your bone folder and go along that part that you messed up, and it makes it go back the other way. There. Perfecto. See that? You can do it a couple times and make it perfect. All right, and then we're going to do the other side the same way. Had to fix my mistake. It just drives me crazy when I do stuff like that. And then we are going to cut the sides. And you can cut in on these sides. And we'll scoot all that out of the way, and we are going to sharpen our score marks. You can't even see that that was there now. It works really good. All right, now I am using this old corner rounder that we've had, and we don't carry this one anymore, but we have another one that is a larger one. This one's the one so light and it's so easy to keep by me. I use this a lot, so I'm rounding the corners. So you can use whatever you have. And then we're ready to put this together. I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus, and I'm going to just put it on the sides here. You've seen me make boxes like this before. And then we're just going to pull this up. I don't know that I've done a flap one. I know I've done one a long time ago, but I don't know if I've done one like this recently. I don't think so. And then we're going to do this side. And then there's our little flap that you flap it. I'm going to do it on, since this is my front, I'm just going to flap it back that way. I'm going to grab my ribbon. Love this ribbon. It's so pretty. It's like a gauze type material. It's really, really pretty. And then we're going to do a bow. Let's see if I could do it twice in a row, y'all. This is a really nice ribbon to tie, so it is a little bit easier for me. All right, let's trim these. Look at that. All right, now we're ready to put on our piece of matting. And we're gonna use, I'm just using my Stampin' Seal Plus because it's sitting right here. And it is nice because I'm putting it right over the ribbon, and it'll hold this piece down really nice. All right, so let's add our other pieces here. We're going to do the hello there. I'll just use my regular Stampin' Seal for this. I'm going to put that over here. And then we're going to add our flowers. I'm going to use wet glue for this because I'm going to do the leaves first. You notice how I kind of put it to the left. There we go with the left again. And we're going to put one up here. And then the other one's going to go right on the other side. Move that. This is why I like using the wet, because I can move it a little bit. I'm going to grab a couple dimensionals here, and we're going to add our little dimensionals to the back. I'm going to put a couple on the back. And we're going to put our strawberry there. Oh, I love that strawberry. Red is one of my favorite colors. I try to stay away from it a little bit because I tend to use it a lot. So that's why I went for the Poppy Parade that time. on the other one, but I still love this red. We're going to put our flowers down here. Let's see, let's put this one here, and we're going to add to the centers because these have little yellow centers. So what we're going to do is we are going to add, I'm going to use I used the Daffodil Delight blend on that one. The other one, it's softer, so I think I'm going to use the Mango Melody for this one, and we're using these opal rounds. I'm really loving these because I can color them whatever color I want, and I'm done. So they're really nice. All right, so we got those done. Let's grab, I need to grab my little paper piercer to add these to the centers of our flowers. I could even darken that. Is this so dark? Yes, I can even darken that a little bit. I'm going to use this side. I don't like to use this side because it messes up that, but this one's already messed up. In fact, I'm got these on my order, ready to order, so. All right, so there you have it. It's all done. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I love the black and white with it. And here's the other one. So look at, tell me which one you like better in the comments. I love this one, but that is my thing. But this one's cute too. It's a little bit more subtle, but look at that. What a difference. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, this is my June hostess code. You can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone. I will catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.